Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great and delicious recipe. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. I hope we all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this delicious spinach black soup. This is a replacement of scent leaf. If you are tasting of scent leaf, you can make it out from your spinach soup. Spicy and delicious. If you want to know how I prepare this, come, let's dive into this video. Any type of meat you want to use, you can use it for this soup. Yes, as for me, I have my beef meat, I have my momo, which is cow skin, I have my efuku, I have my body, I also have my ishaki. We'll take it to the pot. All have been washed. This is a lot of meat. We need the ingredients for the meat. We have our ginger, our garlic, our Maggi cube, 2 for the meat, 1 large onions and little size of it. I have my black pepper. I will go ahead and blend all this stuff. Here we also have our Scotch bonnet pepper. We are going to be using 2 for the meat and the rest for the soup. I'll add water. Let's go and blend this. I will be right back. Our ingredient is well blended. At this stage, we will add salt. As we wait for the meat to cook, let's go and introduce the rest ingredients. You need your spinach. This is frozen spinach. You can use any spinach of your choice. Here we also have our Scotch bonnet pepper. This is onion. This is oriema. Why this is ikposa. All these are local ingredients, which is very good anytime you are cooking your black soup, your pepper soup. If you want to know how to make all this together, I'm just using few of these. There are many type of local ingredients you can actually add on your pepper soup or black soup. So I'm using these few because this is what I want to use. If you want to see so many of them, I will drop the link at the description box so you check it out how to mix your local ingredients for pepper soup, for black soup. We also have our microfish. This is fresh microfish. Here we also have our salt. Here I have my blended crayfish. Here we have our black pepper, 1.5 Maggi cube. So these are the ingredients you need for this delicious soup. As we wait for the meat to continue cooking, we'll go ahead by blending the spinach and the dry ingredients. Make sure you blend this to a smooth consistency. So let's check the meat, and before you blend this, make sure you take take off the back of this. You have to take off the back. I will show you example how you can take it off. Thing like this. We'll take the shaft off. Check out the meat, how far the meat have cooked. Right, this is going well. Prepare the rest ingredient before the meat finally gets ready. So guys, all the ingredients that need to be blended have been blended. This is the spinach, which have been well blended. This is the dry ingredients. So at this stage we'll check the meat. If the meat is cooked, then we go ahead with the cooking. Excess water is dried up already, so we are going to keep this meat aside. Let's place our pot for the soup. At first you pour in your spinach. Remember, the pepper have been blended with the spinach. Then we'll add local spicy, we'll add our black pepper, at this stage I will add the meat stock. We'll add the Maggi cube, I will add the microfiche. I will be removing the microfiche later before adding the rest ingredients. I'm going to cover it to cook for some minutes. At this stage you can see how far our soup have cooked. The aroma is like scent leaf. We are going to be removing the fish. We'll be adding the rest ingredients, which is crayfish. Welcome back, guys. Oh my word, this is the moment we are waiting for, the moment of truth. Guys, this is how you can cook your spinach black soup even without those Africa leaf. You can use spinach as your black soup and it's going to be perfect. This can easily go for almost everything, for your rice, for your starch, and for your pando or fufu, semo, everything you know how to eat as a swallow. This can go for it. If you watch to this extent, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, remember to give this video a huge thumbs up. Share it to your friends and family. If you are still watching us, you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel, and I know you will never regret it. Tell me what you think about this delicious soup. And if there is any question you want to know about this soup, let me know at the comment section. If you want me to bring any recipe for you or other things you know I know how to do, let me know at the comment section. Feel free to try out this recipe. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.